In this video, we are going to learn how we can add the custom column in Invoices. So let's get started. We are going to see how you can create the custom columns of your choice in QuickBooks. You can add it to your invoices. For example, by default, invoice contains item, description, quantity, unit of measure, rate, amount, etc. But you want to track each item with its color, with its size, or other specifications. So you can add those columns here. Now there are two types of custom fields customizations. One is about the header, which is related to this top area. And the other one relates to this one, which is this particular area. So we have already discussed about the header customization. You can check out that video. And now we are going to customize the fields here. Now, if you want to create or customize the column fields, I need to make the adjustments in the inventory. And I'll go to make adjustments here in the items and services. Let's click on it. And from here, I'll just scroll down and select any kind of item. Let's select this one named AirPods. Let's click on it. And from here, let's go to custom fields. Now it seems like we are making the adjustments only for the AirPods or this inventory item, but this additional fields will be created for all the other items as well. As you can see, by default, I have color and material fields added. That's because I'm using the sample company that QuickBooks offers by default. If you're creating the new company by yourself, you might not see these fields. You will see all blank here. So you have to define fields by yourself. So let's define fields. Let's say I want to add a label of size. So let's add size and I want to use it, but I have only three sizes, that is 10, 12 and 14. So instead of leaving it to any text, I'll create a user's multiple choice list. That's because there is less chance of error by the data enterer while using the multiple choice list. You only have the choice to choose from the list. So let's add these sizes. So 10, 12 and let's say 14. Now if I have some additional size requirement, what I can do is allow users to edit their own text. The text will not be saved to the list. So that's a very nice option. If you want to add the custom sizes while you are in the invoice, you can do that, but it will not be added to the list. Let's see this option later on. So let's click OK. Now this first field is created. Let's track it with another field. Let's say made in. I can use this field and I can again create the list. Let's enter some different countries. These are countries. Click OK and OK. Let's again click OK. And now my custom fields are added here. Let's click OK. I don't need to specify it into any inventory part because these fields will be added for all the inventory items. I only need to customize this in template now. I'll go to the home tab to make the changes in the create invoices. Go to the create invoices and here I can see that still it is in my default template. What I can do is just make some changes. First of all, let's change it to this custom fields template, or what you can do is go to formatting, manage templates and choose a template of your choice and then make the copy of it. Just rename that template and then you're good to go. I've already done that. Create the copy, change the name. So this is my custom field template. After that, I'll just simply click OK. And I want to go to additional customization. Let's click on it. And from here, I have two options. One is headers and the other one is columns. Now header is related to the top area while columns are related to this bottom area where I can create some new columns fields. So I'll click on this column area. Now if I scroll down, I can find my custom fields right here. If I want it to show on the screen and not on the print, I'll just check this one and not this one. But if I want to show it both on the print and on the screen as well, I can check to both of them. But I might need to change or customize my template in order to adjust that. Same thing for made in. I want to add it in screen, but let's say I don't want to show it on the print. So let's click on print preview. Now let's say after description comes the quantity, then the price, and let's say after that, I want to show the size. Means size should come before the unit of measure. So what I will do is I can change the numbering order from here. I can see that unit of measure comes on the 6th point. So if I make this one 6th, it will automatically become 7th. And same thing, let's say right after description, I want the size. So what I'll do is I'll make it 2. And you can see that it appears on the 1st. Why is that? Let's see. Let's check the description. It become the 4th point. So I think 1 is by default class. So if I uncheck this, let's say I don't want the class option, then I can make this one 1, and now it seems fine. Description is on the 1 order and the second one will be size. So let's see the print preview. This is perfect. So this is how you can even change the orders in the columns here. After that, let's see the customized fields. And now I can see my custom fields, which is size and made in. Let's enter a new invoice here. I need to mention some item code. Let's say anyone like this. Let's write some description. Although this sizes is not related to the airports, but still mention some sizes here. 20 is the quantity, rate is this one, and this is made in China. So this is the total. Let's click on save and new. Let's close it. Go to the main tab, go back to check the print preview, because we have also customized the invoice template, right? So I'll go to here and click on preview, and here I can see these fields entered right here. It shows the size, and made in is not shown because we chose not to show this. And this is nice that QuickBooks has included all the options according to all business types. Sometimes you need to enter some data or details for your reference only or for your records only, but you don't want to show it in the print. So we have these customization options in QuickBooks. It's a very simple and pretty customizable software. So guys, this is how you can add the custom columns in QuickBooks. Just practice it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.